Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am Michaela. I am a full-time working wife, mom, and nurse. And on this channel, I vlog your basic life stuff like cleaning motivation, DIYs, home decor, shopping, and more. If you would like to join me in whatever it is that I am doing, hit that subscribe and notification button. Today on this video, I will be cleaning my kitchen, cleaning out the refrigerator, and cleaning my garbage disposal. Today is Sunday and I am trying to get the kitchen prepped for the week. I'm not going to talk your head off. Sit back and enjoy and hear some music that we can vibe to.
Do I require more, better than we ever had before? Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want? Great surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, lil' baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either past in the past, that's all done now. Glad that we stayed down. We gon' pull up in a whip, start a new trend. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget, let's remind them, be my rider. All gas. No way they can never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try to keep
music is still playing. Let's dance while the floor is still swaying. This moment will never come again. So let's dance while the music's playing. Let's dance for the sweet love that we found. This moment will never ever come again. So let's dance for the sweet